All right, this is a test I'm conducting right now to try to crystallize different skin and meat and so forth, and they're in different substrates down. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. Well, you're probably going to see that, right? See, that's what it's doing. That's stuck into this silicate material, and it's crystallizing, and it looks, we're going to have to test what the crystal formations are and what organic materials became displaced, but that's what we're testing. This video is about crystals, and if you've seen the other tapes, you've seen, or other videos, you've seen about organic sublimation and as they transition through the phases of sublimation and vaporization, the organics sublimate out. Now, this, I believe, is garniferous material that is exuded from this once living rock. And I will show you the process, and it's electrical. And the electrical currents in the earth were proven by the University of Alberta in Canada. And this, I believe, is the product of that electrical process creating crystals. Okay, I'm sure everyone knows about metamorphic rock and igneous rock and probably mafic and ultramafic and tectonites, and they're just different layers of the earth where they're more compressed and compacted and ductile until you get down to tectonite, which is right at the base of the earth. And it becomes stretched and pliable and all that stuff. And I agree with that 100%. Now, there are crystals that form around the earth from all kinds of things. And I've been just studying about the hydrothermal geodes, incredible things that they're finding. However, my point here is that not every crystal on Earth here was created from subduction and deep earth forces. Well, I believe they are created in that manner. However, the source of the crystals, the source of the material that created these crystals was not necessarily from just coming back together. They call it flocculating, I believe, where like a flocking group of birds come back together. And they flock around together. I mean, that's what they say, but it is just, I don't believe that's true. These, I believe, were concentrated, and the plagioclase material and the quartz crystal and all these crystalline structures, and I believe that might be garnets on the tip of what I think is a fingertip, and I have a video describing this particular fingertip, and it's architecture. But anyway, my point is that recrystallization may be true in a lot of cases, I don't know. But what I'm physically looking at, I can see, and I believe was not brought together, these chemicals, by recrystallization. I think they were brought together by life and then crystallized in the manner that is accepted.